Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we are tackling a frustrating issue that many users facing while using Elevenlabs, the dreaded unusual activity detected error. If you are even been stopped in your tracks when trying to generate text or audio, you know how annoying this can be. But don't worry, I am here to help you fix it quickly and easily. First things first, let's understand what this error means. The usually activity detected message usually pops up when the system suspects that your account is being misused, often due to excessive requests or the use of POSIX and VPN. This can be particularly common if you are on a free there, which has stricter limits. So, if you see this message, it's time to take action. Here's what you need to do. 1. Clear your voice itch. Start by cleaning your browser itch and cookies. This can often resolve temporary issues. Just go to your browsing settings, find the privacy section, and clear your itch. 2. Disable any VPN or proxy. If you are using a VPN or proxy service, try disabling it temporarily. Sometimes this service can trigger security alerts on platforms like Elevenlabs. 3. Switch browsers or device. If the problems persists, try accessing Elevenlabs from a different browser or device. For example, if you are on a computer, switch to your mobile device and see if that helps. Limit your request. If you generating multiple text in a short period, slow down, give the system some time before making another request to avoid triggering the usually activity alert. 5. Contact support. If you have tried all the above steps and still facing issues, it might be time to reach out to Elevenlabs support for assistance. They can provide specific insights related to your account. And there you have it. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the unusual activity detected error and get back to using Elevenlabs without interruptions. If this video helped you out, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more teach solution. Remember, technology should make our lives easier, not harder. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.